What if I tell you that the best value for money laptop from Apple, the MacBook Air, just got a lot better? Hi everyone, I'm Ishan Sharma and Apple has just launched the MacBook Air powered by M4 chip. I got my hands on it, as you can see right here. This is the unboxing. Let's put it over here. Let me open this up and tell you why this is the perfect laptop for students and even for normal day-to-day people. Say hello to the latest MacBook Air by Apple powered by the M4 chip. I genuinely think this is the best value for money MacBook that anyone can buy. If you're a student, if you're someone who's into coding, if you're someone who wants to start editing videos, if you're someone who wants to become a successful freelancer, this is the best value for money purchase. And let me tell you why. Now, I purchased the first MacBook in 2021 of my life, and that was powered by the M1 chip. It had 8 GBs of RAM and it was perfect for me for all of my workflows. It handled video editing, it handled running all of my code, all of the projects that I was running, all the videos were getting exported fast, and all of this was happening very efficiently on the MacBook Air with the M1 chip. This base variant of the MacBook Air M4 starts at 16 GBs of RAM, which just makes it a lot better. And it is priced at 1 lakh rupees. This is the same price as the previous generation MacBook Airs, but has the 16 GB RAM. To me, that is the best improvement ever because you're getting more for the same amount of money that you were spending before. And to me, that is the best value for students. Now, when you open this up, you see this amazing display with the notch at the top, and it has this sleek design. I don't know if you can see this or not. It's so thin and lightweight. I've been using the MacBook Pro recently, so I really appreciate the lightness and the thinness of this laptop. It's very handy. You can take it wherever you want to. You can just go out by just taking it in your hand. You can open it wherever. You can watch movies. You can play games. It has a 18-hour battery life. To me, that is pretty crazy because my first laptop in college was like a Windows laptop. It barely had 3-4 hours of battery life and it used to die, and I used to always carry like chargers with me all around. But I don't have to do that anymore thanks to the MacBook Air I purchased when I was in 2021. And this one just takes it even further with an 18-hour battery life. I am so impressed by the battery life of all the MacBooks I've tried before, be it the MacBook Pro with the M1 Pro chip or be it the M4 Pro chip powered MacBook Pro. And I'm sure this one is going to deliver the same power, if not less. The design is pretty much the same. If you have a look at it, it has the same Touch ID, it has the same Force touchpad, but it now has a sky blue color. I don't know if you can see this or not, but this is not your space gray. This is actually sky blue. It's a barely noticeable tint of blue, but it is something new from Apple, so we should definitely look out for that. Now, when I open this MacBook and I click on continue, this is what I see. It has a notch display and it comes with the latest macOS and has also access to Apple Intelligence. So all of the Apple Intelligence features, including things like writing tools, including Genmoji, Image Playground, it gives you access to all of that right from the get-go. Now, this MacBook has the M4 chip, which means it's 30% faster than the M3 and previous generations. That means you're going to have faster renders for any video you're exporting. If you're doing 3D rendering, if you're doing any heavy lifting tasks, maybe you're running an AI model locally, could be DeepSeek or any other model through Ollama, you could do very well, run those models on this system and get faster results because of the M4 chip. This one right here is the 15-inch model, but the 13-inch one is going to be even more compact and easy to carry wherever you go and more lightweight as well. I think for anyone who's starting out their creative journey, this is a great machine to get started with. It has a 256 GB SSD storage, which might be less for a lot of people. And what you can do is to buy a 1 terabyte SSD from Amazon. It will cost you about 7,000, 8,000 rupees, and you can then use that along with this and ensure that you have ample of storage to store all of your files, all of your videos that you're editing. And if you log in with your university email into Apple, you will see discounted rates for this MacBook as well, which means you're going to save even more. So if this one costs 1 lakh rupees in India, you can very well get this for, I think, about 92,000 rupees. For 90,000 rupees, a laptop with this much power allows you to do pretty much anything that you want. And one advice that I have for people who are watching this video, if you're a student getting into college, starting your journey in your career, your system should always help you go further. It should never limit you. I used to be the person in first year who had a very slow system, a very slow laptop, and I was never able to do all the things that I wanted to do. I was editing videos. The first video I edited, it took me like 5 days to edit it because it was so slow and I was just not able to try out everything that I want to. So the best investment you can do is to literally go out and invest in a great machine. I'm not saying that you have to just go with MacBook, but if you have the budget, about 80 to 90,000 rupees, it is so much worth it to go with this and you'll have just the best experience ever. As always, this laptop will definitely last your entire college. And if you're starting out with your career, will definitely last you at least 3 to 4, 5 years. And it also has the headphone jack, if you can see right here. It has the 2 Thunderbolt ports for USB-C, and it has the MagSafe charging over here, and it has just the most compact design that I've ever seen in any MacBook ever. So that was my review. I've tried it for a few hours and I absolutely love the design of this MacBook. It's perfect for people who are starting out their journeys, or for anyone for that matter. And the base variant offers you 16 GBs of RAM, which is pretty good for anything that you want to do, and has the 256 GB SSD storage. That was my review. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comment section. I would love to do more videos about it. If you want me to make specific videos about how does video editing work on this system, how does, AI models run on this system, or anything else, let me know below and I'll make more videos on it. And I'll see you all in the next video.